Science question 18, right here. If a temperature of 5 degrees had been tested in experiment 2, would the volume of gas collected for zinc more likely have been greater than 107 or less than 107? And then notice in this question we have a two-part question. F and G say greater, and then there's a second part, and H and J have less than, and then a second part. So we're going to find the answer, and then we kind of have to prove it or understand the relationship that's happening. So let's look at the key points. We're looking at zinc, and they want to know if it's greater than or less than 107 if we were to check it at 5 degrees, right? Because here's our temperature down at the bottom, and you can see that it goes 10, 15, 20, so we'll just add a different line right there for 5. And if we get really close, and let's say we were going to continue this line, it looks like if we were to test it at 5 degrees, it would be less than 107 because it was about 107 at the 10 degrees. So we know already that it's going to be either H or J because it's less than. But why? Why is that the case? For H, it says because for the given metal, the volume of collected gas decreased as the temperature decreased. Is that true? Let's look. As the temperature is decreasing, which we know this is decreasing, what's happening to the volume? It is also decreasing. So everything is going down. We know the answer is going to be H. Now J, they may try to trick you up a little bit. It says for a given metal, the volume of gas collected decreased as the temperature increased. All of these lines would be shifting in a different way if that were the case. So we know the answer is H.